members will direct you to evacuate after shaking. Okay? Huwag kayong mag-evacuate kapag nag-shake pa yung ground. Okay? And also, during earthquake, you will not hear a fire alarm. Okay? Hindi nyo marinig yung ten, 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 mamaya marinig yung fire alarm namin. Patunugin namin. Hindi. Hindi nyo marinig yung fire alarm during earthquake. Okay? Next po. Yan. In case of fire. So in case of fire, if the fire is small, put it out with a fire extinguisher using the pass method. So if you're not familiar, allow the authorized people to do the pass method. Pero if you're familiar, ang gagawin natin, just pull the pin. Yung nozzle, yung hawakan, may ulo doon. Tapat nyo doon sa fire. Then squeeze nyo. Ito, squeeze nyo sa gilid dito. Squeeze nyo lang yan. Then may lalabas dyan na ganitong substance. Then aim nyo lang, left to right, doon sa base ng fire natin para makakapula siya. So yun. So if it's big and it's uncontrollable, call 911, report to FMO, report to the nearest HESACO member na near sa inyong area. You can also manually activate the fire alarm kapag malaki. And stay calm and follow the instructions of the HESACO members, okay? Then we can evacuate to the nearest exit. Tulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, follow or evacuate to the nearest exit. And then, assemble tayo sa SM parking lot C. Yung parking lot sa harapan kanina, pagpasok nyo nakita nyo yung parking lot, yun yung assembly area natin. Doon tayo magtitipon-tipon kapag nakapag-evacuate tayo. Okay? Then, important announcements. May maririnig kayo sa hallway natin or meron tayong mga speaker na install sa ating ceilings. Magkakaroon nyo ng mga announcements in case of emergency or if meron man tayong important announcement na need yung malaman. Okay? Next po. Ay. Yeah. Okay, sa'yo, move na. Yan po yung sound ng ating fire alarm. So pag narinig nyo yan, sabihin, nakita mo po. Thank you. Hindi naman tayo nagkakaintindihan eh. Hindi yun. Huwag kayong tatakbo, huwag kayong mapapanik. Stay calm lang. Meron tayong mga trained personnel para i-assist kayo, ha? Okay. Huwag tatakbo. Sige po. Assembly area. So, ang pinaka-main nating assembly area is makikita nyo dyan sa left. Yan yung parking lot na nasa harapan ng Enyo Dasmariñas. So mainly dyan po tayo mag-evacuate. Pero if in case na kailangan nating mag-move to another area, we have an alternative assembly area which is yung jeepney terminal. Familiar ka sa jeepney terminal?
Yes.
Okay, dyan tayo mag-evacuate ha. Kapag dinirect tayo na iba ang ating evacuation area. Pero first thing first, doon tayo sa SM parking lots. Okay? Next po. Ayan. Who to contact in case of emergencies. Pwede nyo picturean po guys, in case of emergencies.